What is up, guys? Dallas here. We are back with another video for you guys today. We've been a little quiet for the last couple of weeks as I've been traveling with my family, just doing traveling things during November. Today's video, we are going to be talking about a little about our Tundra, our 2023 Tundra. We are going to be going on the interior of our video, of our truck. Just touching base, since like I said, we are traveling, I thought I might do a little, just a little short video, just showing you guys how I travel with my pups. We do have 4 dogs, 2 Great White Pyrenees, from 60 pounds to 100 pounds. And then we have a Border Collie mix. Border Collie mix is only about 40 to 50 pounds. And then we do have a little Cairn Terrier. She's about 15 to 20 pounds. But I'm going to give you guys a scoop on how I travel with my 4 dogs. And yeah, but before we actually dive in to the interior of our Tundra, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the support. And if you guys aren't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. The support and love definitely helps out a lot and really gives me that motivation to keep creating more videos just like this for you guys. It is a little tough. I'm not that great at talking in front of the camera. I am definitely learning to do so from every video that I do, and I am trying to do better. And if you guys have ways to critique me, I would love to hear your thoughts and constructive feedback, okay? I want to improve my videos, and I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the best content that you guys all deserve. But let's dive in to our 2023 Toyota Tundra SR5 SX package. And if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Dallas. All right, if you guys don't know who I am and what kind of vehicle we drive a 2023 Toyota Tundra SR5 SX package with a 7-inch lift on 37 Nittos. We do have a little camp set up. We got our FSR rack, FSR tent, up top rack, some gadgets for our overlanding gear, MaxTrax, Rotopacks. We do have something new up there. We will talk about that in another video. And of course, we do have our up top Kilo roof rack, pretty much our whole up top and Kilo lineup right there. Rocking some 20 by 10s. Again, like I said, on some Nittos, 37 12.5 R20. But let's dive in. Truck has been dirty for the last 2 or 3 weeks, and we have been having fun. But I will say, I forgot to say it earlier, I haven't really shown it, but we got some nice little scratches coming in here. We were snow wheeling and definitely had some fun. Lots of scratches that I do not want to look at, and I do not want to wash our truck just for those reasons. But I'm going to go dive in. Here we are. Some of you guys know and may have seen our video from before. We do have this doggy platform that I made for my 4 beautiful pups a few months ago. It has been pretty much doing us just exactly what we need. As you can see, I did mess up on that carpet. It's supposed to be flipped upside down. I do have this foot right here. As you can see, it doesn't really touch because I do have it tucked in back here. It should be a little deeper, but we actually do not remove this platform at all. I do have a little doggy bed under here just for some padding for my girls. But you guys may be thinking, why do we have this? What is it? What is it? Dallas, you have seat covers. You have this platform. Why do you need this tarp? Okay, guys, let's go back. We always had these doggy material, canvas kind of, I guess, I don't even know what to even call it. I guess doggy platforms. And my pups pretty much ruin everything. They love to eat it. They love to chew it. So, and I'm wasting $60 to $80 per doggy, whatever platforms. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, we've gone through just about as many as you can think of. Too many for the amount of vehicles I have. 5 to 6 to 10, I don't know. I lost count. So anyways, we made this platform a few months ago for the girls, had an idea, finally took it to finally took it, or I guess finally took my idea and made it reality. Got some measurements. You guys have the other video. If you guys want to see it, we do have it on our YouTube channel for you guys to see the step by step on how I made that, or this platform. But yes, this is how exactly I have my truck when I travel with my 4 girls. You guys may be thinking, how much protection do you guys need? We have these seat covers, we have pretty much everything in here, but my girls are big, so this whole back seat is their platform for them to lay on. And I want to make sure my girls are pretty much as comfortable as they get. So we don't have anything else back here unless we do have it tucked in right here, which you can't really fit much, but you can fit as, I don't know, shoes, anything pretty much thin. We do have our seats up. We never have our seats down anymore because we do have this platform that never leaves the back of my truck. Because if it is in my garage, then it'll get dirty and vice versa. So again, this is why we have this tarp. And you guys may be thinking, well, is this the same tarp for all the trips that you guys actually road trip with? No. So we actually have multiple tarps for maybe if they have accidents or whatnot. We pretty much, it's kind of, it's plastic. It kind of seeps in. So we pretty much bring a couple tarps with us. And for this case, it is only maybe about $3 to $5 at your local Walmart. So in that sense, it's a lot easier for us to pretty much go through that. You guys may be thinking, well, Dallas, you're just wasting money. But I'm also kind of saving on some time to be cleaning up on some other things. Well, you can see back there, we have that extra clean tarp just in case when we are traveling that the tarp that we have in there doesn't get terrible. So my girls did good this past trip. During our trip, they've got some fuzzies here, but other than that, no accidents, knock on wood. But we will be leaving here soon within the next few days. So I will be leaving the truck just like this. You guys may be thinking, Dallas, you're so anal. It's just a truck, blah, blah. But I pay good money for this vehicle. I want to make sure that I can keep this truck as clean as possible because I love it so much. And I want to take care of what I bought. It's my money, my truck. I want to keep it clean. There you go. But that's just a little video that I wanted to share with you guys just about how we have our truck pretty much fixed up where my 4 girls ride in the back of. Again, big old platform, maybe takes away just a little bit with that seat folded up, but my girls seem to enjoy it. They're very tall, they're very big. It does the job. It does exactly what I need. At the end of the day, I'm happy, my wife's happy, dogs are happy. It's a good day. But thank you guys for this short little clip and video. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or you guys want to go find how I made this platform, again, it is on my YouTube channel. And again, this is what you're watching on YouTube. But again, like I said earlier, if you guys have not already subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and go subscribe to our YouTube channel. I think we only got about 541 subs. Let's crank it up. Let's get up to 1,000. I want to, get up there. But with only that, it does take time and it does take consistency and most importantly, patience. So thank you for following us, watching this video. If you guys got questions, I'd love to answer it. We are out.